Welcome to the ExactFlow Sales Agent module, your smart control center for sales performance, pricing, listings, and marketplace success. Everything your sales team needs to monitor, analyze, and act, all in one place. Start with Sales Agent Dashboard. Use quick filters for date range, marketplace, and time view to control your data instantly. At a glance, see total revenue, total orders, average order value, track revenue and order trends over time, compare marketplaces, monitor order status, and instantly spot growth, drops, or risks. This dashboard turns raw numbers into clear sales insights. The Financial tab shows gross versus net revenue, fees, refunds, commissions, and margins, so you always know where profit comes from and where it leaks. The Geographic tab reveals top countries and cities, helping you plan regional sales, logistics, and expansion smarter. In the Products tab, identify top-selling products and SKUs, best-performing conditions, high-margin items. The Marketplaces tab compares platforms side by side, showing which channels bring higher value, better trends, and stronger performance. This is how you decide what to sell more and where. Meet Zane, your AI sales assistant. Ask questions like, show today's sales, compare marketplaces, find low-performing products. Zane delivers instant insights, no dashboards, no delays. The Listing Management page keeps listings healthy across marketplaces. Spot missing listings, low stock, sales drops. ExactFlow even triggers automatic alerts before revenue is lost. On the BuyBox page, instantly see which products are winning, partial, or losing, and get smart price recommendations to win more BuyBoxes and boost conversions. Track true inventory costs, break-even prices, and stock value to avoid selling at a loss. Use spec verification to catch mismatches before they cause returns. And with Symbol Drill Down, get a complete view of any product, inventory, pricing, listings, and verification in one screen. The ExactFlow Sales Agent module helps you sell smarter, price competitively, protect margins, win marketplaces. This is sales intelligence simplified, visual, and action-ready. This is ExactFlow.